Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. All right, this week is hair time. We are going to talk about a hair product. I know that's something that you all have been waiting for. And this month I have been using the Shea Moisture Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go line. There are 5 pieces to this line and I only picked up 4. So if you guys want to know how I felt about these products and also see me apply the products, which you're going to see that next, stay tuned. All right. Probably see my mirror right here. So, hey y'all. All right, it is Sunday morning. Well, I'm sorry, Sunday afternoon. It's actually Sunday afternoon. I normally I wash my hair the night before and then style it the next morning, but this time I was really tired last night and I had some issues. I was having some physical issues. So, you know, it's one of those situations, replying to a text. But let's get on with the get on. All right. You guys know I do my hair in sections. Normally I wash my hair in the shower, but today I actually washed my hair in the sink. Something I don't do very often. First I'm going to use the Camille Rose Herbal Tea Seal and Soften leave-in. It's part of the leave-in collection. I'm going to put that on the section first. Oh, goodness. Let's see here. What's going on with me? Last week, I did talk about the fact that we hit 1,000 subscribers. Well, now I think we're at 1,002. I'm at 1,002. I keep saying we, like there's some team effort here, and it's really just me doing all of this. And it was a feat to get that. For leave-in, I am using the Allocate Naturals Lemongrass leave-in. Don't worry, I have a whole nother bottle sitting in front of me. So, I'm going to do that. So, really, put that there, and I'm going to do that. So really, it's just one of those situations of, you know, now we hit 1,000. Let's see how far we can take it. Okay, first styler we're going to use is the Shea Moisture Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go Primer. Now, I don't use very much of this product. This is how much I use per section. Because you really don't need that much product, really. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come back on tomorrow so you guys can see how this product really worked on my hair and what I really think about it. So this is going to be the new format of review so you guys can see how I style my hair and I put the product in my hair and everything. I finger comb it through. I do that with all my products because I want to make sure my hair is coated. Okay, and next we're going to do the defining gel oil. We're going to do that next. Here we go. And it's kind of blown out, so I'll make sure I have a picture up for you. Now, this product, you don't need very much also. I'm going to just use that amount because I'm doing my hair in sections. As you all know, I don't do my hair all at one time anymore because I have a lot more hair in a year. Let's see. Funny thing this weekend, as you guys are seeing this video the following weekend, but as I'm filming this, today is my 7-year natural anniversary, and it's just I was looking back at my Big Chop pictures and everything, and it was really cool to see where I came from originally. I mean, I originally had, I grew out my relaxer, and then it was time to cut it off. And that's what I did. I cut all my hair off. So, that section's done. We're going to move on to the other side. Same side. I'm staying on my left side right now. Do all my other stuff. Watch that earring there. Oop, don't fall in. The way I have things set up in front of me is pretty funny. Plus, I'm trying to move as quickly as possible before my hair dries. So, here we go. Time for the primer. Anyway, let me talk, because I'm not talking right now. Anyway, let's see. It's a lot going. Well, it's not a whole lot going on with me right now. When I get finished with my hair, I'm going to actually, I am going to write a paper. I have a 4-page paper to write. I actually started writing the paper the other day, so I don't have a whole lot to do on this paper. I'm using the oil, the gel oil now. Now it's time to rake all the product through. And I have to be careful on this side because of my piercings, let me put an S on it, because my cartilage and my tragus is now pierced, so I have to be very careful with that. So anyway, got this going on here. Now normally I let my hair fully air dry for the whole day. I don't sit under the dryer on Sundays unless I absolutely have to, like if I have somewhere to go, I'll sit under the dryer. But I tried not to sit under the dryer for any reason. Add a little water to this section. There's a cat behind me. Okay, cool. She's just sitting there chilling. All right. I'm going to come back with this last front section so I don't, I'm not sitting here all day talking. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. First 3/4 of my hair is all done. Now we're going to go to this last front section. First, I'm going to put a little water on it because I want to keep it as wet as possible. Because as you all know, normally I style my hair. I do everything in the shower. I do not style my hair outside of the shower because I think I get better results when my hair is soaking wet, especially on a wash and go. I don't particularly like my hair when after the air hits it. But unfortunately, I'm trying not to get under the dryer and dry my hair. So what I'm going to do is, so today we're just going to wing it. I am going to still co-wash my hair on Tuesday after I get home from work. So that will be done fully in the shower. I normally co-wash in the shower. I normally co-wash in the shower and do everything in the shower because it's easier with co-washing. But with washing my hair, I'm in the shower a lot longer because, you have the shampoo and the conditioner and all that fun filled stuff. But I am not going to do that. I couldn't do that with this because I did not want to deal with the whole thing of setting up the camera and doing everything in the shower. Plus, like I said, I have a paper to write and it's after 1 o'clock and I should be like almost done with that paper. But I do what I do normally on Sundays and I take a nap. I really need to stop taking naps on Sundays. I really do. But I'm so tired because I'm up early and I don't sleep very well at night. So that's what happens. Now, let's go ahead and do the gel oil and we're going to be done. I might do a little shake of my hair. We'll see. I'll probably do that off camera because I don't want to get anything dirty. That's the thing. I don't want to get any of my stuff dirty or wet, actually. Now, when I style my hair, I style it going backward. And then when I shake it, it falls into the place I want it to fall. Yes, there's a red ring around my head from the plastic cap that I use underneath my deep conditioning cap. There, all done. Now I'm gonna shake. Like I said, I'm not gonna do it in front of you guys. And there we are, nice and finely shook. There we go. So I'll be back tomorrow when my hair is fully dry and I'm back home from work, and so you guys can see the final results, and I'll talk to you guys about everything in front of me and give you guys my final assessment. Okay, as you guys saw, I applied all the products to my hair, and this is my hair the next day. Let me see if I can get in a little closer so you guys can see. I'll have more pictures over here on the side so you guys can really see how my hair turned out. And let's go down the row of everything that I used, because there's a lot of stuff you didn't see me use. Well, the shampoo and conditioner and all that fun stuff. So we're going to start with the Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go shampoo. And it's this bottle right here. This is a 13 fluid ounce bottle. This has cocoa butter and plant peptides. And this is for cleansing and detangling. And this is for kinky, curly, coily hair. Let's see. Shampoo was fine. I didn't have a problem with the shampoo. It suds up like normal Shea Moisture shampoos. I didn't hate it. It wasn't like my favorite shampoo, but it did do its job. So I'm not, too upset by it. The next thing that I used was the conditioner. It's the same 13 fluid ounce bottle, which is this right here. The conditioner was okay. It wasn't my favorite. I need Shea Moisture to stop using pumps for their conditioners. Their conditioners are too thick. Their rinse out conditioners are very thick. So they really need to start doing a squeeze bottle or get a better pump that has a wider nozzle, because it is very hard to get the conditioner out of here. I mean, if I was to pump this right now, it would barely come out basically. And the conditioner was okay at best. It wasn't my favorite, like I said, with the shampoo. I could have used something else basically. For deep conditioner, it's my oldie but goodie high porosity my high porosity moisture correct mask that I use all the time. That's one of my favorites, which this is probably like my 5th or 6th jar. I am going to switch up on deep conditioner soon because I don't want to keep using the same one and it doesn't work. So no big deal. And the next thing that I used for oil was the Camille Rose Naturals Herbal Tea Seal and Soften in the leave-in collection. This is a 9 fluid ounce bottle. I've been using this for a long time. This is actually my 2nd bottle of this. I actually have the full trio of the leave-in collection. I've only used this one because I actually like this one. I haven't used the other ones yet, but I've heard nothing but good things about the honey and the cream one. Like I said, I'll use those eventually, but this is actually really good. This is a good oil sealer to keep the moisture in. And let's see, for leave-in, Allocate Naturals Lemongrass leave-in, which I've been using that for years. I kind of left it alone for a while, came back to it, still love it. It works great under, it actually works great under pretty much every product that I've used, and I love it, especially under a cream. It's great, and it's actually, I think it's pretty good under a gel too. It's been a while since I've used it under a gel. We're gonna see, but let's get to the stylers, which is the curl primer, which you guys saw me put that in first. This is a 10.3 fluid ounce bottle. This is what the conditioner should have been in. The conditioner should have been in this squeeze tub, and this should have been in the squeeze bottle. I didn't understand what the primer was for, but I guess it actually works in tangent with the defining gel oil, which is the last thing that I used in this line. And I didn't have to use much of either one of these, which I like. I didn't have to use a lot of it, but I did like the products. As you see, every one of my curls is defined. So you see every little curl in my head. I actually like my curls to clump together more, but I do like this product and it did work very good. Unfortunately, the humidity got to me because right now it's raining outside and I just got home from work and the humidity hit me. So it's, one of those things. So it's kind of shriveled up on me. Later in the week, my hair does get bigger. Probably like day 3, my hair gets a little bit bigger, and I love how it gets bigger, and you still see the curl definition of all the product because of the product. Would I buy this product again, you ask? I would probably buy the primer and the gel oil again, but not the shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo and conditioner I could take or leave. It wasn't my favorite. I could have used anything else other than that. And also there's another step to the system. I think there's an oil, but I did not find that when I was out shopping for this. I think I grabbed this at Walmart. I can't remember. And I didn't see the 5th step because there's 5 pieces to the line, and I did not find the 5th one. I think Target has all the pieces, but no big deal on getting the oil when I already have an oil that I use and that I like. So, but I would, like I said, I would get the gel oil and the primer again because those work really good together. I have not tried them separately. I don't think I want to try them separately. I think they're fine together. So, but that's really about it for this. I just wanted to get on so you guys can see me apply the product in my hair, see how it looks wet, and you see it the next day dry, and other days around that, because I've been using this product, as you all know. I use products for a month now, so you guys can really see the results, because some weeks will be a bad week, some week will be a good week, and then plus it kind of gives me it actually helps me use a lot of the products that I have up instead of just okay for 1 week. But that is it. I'm going to get out of here. I have a dentist appointment, and I'm going to actually start on my paper this week, and it's 11:18 in the morning. Yes, I just got home from work. So I'm going to get on out of here. If you guys have any questions for me, talk to me below. And if you guys like videos like this and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. And it's free to subscribe. So I'm going to get out of here. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.